Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, your 2023 Ultimate Beef Loving Texan. You heard it right, I am the Ultimate Beef Loving Texan down here in Texas for the next year. But anyways, I have got a great recipe for you today. It is some steaks from the 4 Sixes Ranch. I have some of their sirloin fillets. They've kind of fixed them up where they look like a filet mignon. We're gonna give those a try and see how good they are. This is Chef Johnny's Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. And guys, excuse my hoarse voice. Mountain cedar is here. We call it cedar fever down here. The juniper trees are blooming and they have attacked me and I have not been able to talk for a while. So, hey, let's suffer through this together. I've got a great recipe for you. I'm gonna bring you in close, show you how I season this meat up. I'm just gonna use some SPG from Cosmos. Nothing real strong. Wanna taste this meat. Texas beef, guys. That's what we're wanting to taste today. Come in here close. Let's look at this steak. This is the first time I've done these little sirloin fillets. They're top sirloin fillet is the way they're listed. And I tell you what, I can tell you this. What they've done is they've kind of wrapped it together to make it look like a fillet. This one just came apart. And here is a second one. Again, made it to look kind of like a little fillet. I ran and grabbed just some butcher's twine. So guys, this is gonna help hold that piece on right there. And we haven't lost that kind of fillet look to it, right? So it's gonna help it stay molded. I'm gonna go around it twice. And I'm gonna see if I can tie this y'all's way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go 1 time, 2 times, right? Lift these up. Pull that tight. There we go. Now it will kind of hold since you do the double. And just come around. Overhand loop. There we go. Take a good sharp knife. Cut that. There it is. Just to hold shape and uniformity. We're gonna do the same thing with this one. Just take it around. Take 2 loops. Pull it tight. And just finish that knot off. Take your knife, cut it. Now we have 2 nice little fillets. They're gonna hold their shape. They're about the same size. We're gonna see how these cook up after we get our seasoning. Like I said, I want to taste the beef. Don't want a whole lot of flavor on these. So I'm going just with some Cosmos SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're gonna season these on both sides real well. Let's flip it over. Get that bottom. I see where my string slid up underneath. I'm gonna tuck that over a little bit. There we go. Now just roll it around on your board, right? Pick up a little salt, pepper, garlic that had fallen off. If we need a little more, we can do a little shaking. Let these sit there and sweat. Let's go outside, check the grill, and see if we can get these on there. We have got this slow and sear kettle rolling out here, guys. It's about 265 degrees internally. I have just some Kingsford charcoal with the wood chunks in there. We have oak in there with it today. So we got some oak in there. We're gonna get the lid off. You can see I do have my grates in there, my grill grates. This is gonna be an offset cook. And we're gonna reverse sear these. So what that means is we're gonna take them up to 120 degrees internally, right in the center. Then we're gonna sear them, then we're gonna let them rest. We got our steaks up to temp. We're gonna put them over and sear them real quick. Now let's get the lid off. So I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna put them right over the top. See if we can sear those right over the top of that fire. Not gonna go long. I'm gonna go about 60 seconds is all because they're getting nice and warm. Don't wanna get them too hot. We're gonna get just a little sear on them. Then we're going to flip them over, get the other side, get them inside, and we'll check, see how they taste. All right, let's turn these over. little grill mark on there. We got that sear done. We're gonna get them off, take them inside, and let them rest about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna slice into them and see how they are. Let's get this covered back up. See y'all inside the building. We have these steaks inside and they are rested. They are ready to slice into it. Gonna take our butcher's twine, cut that off of there. That one off and take this one off. That kept them together really nice. What you might want to do is even you could go in and put a piece of bacon around these, cook them just like a filet mignon, right? But what we're gonna do is, this is the one that had came open. Let's take it, I'm gonna slice it, and we'll see what it looks like on the inside. Look at that. That is a pretty steak. I think it looks good. What do y'all think? Medium rare on the inside. Let's cut off a couple of pieces. That's where that piece was that I cut a while ago. There you have it. A beautiful sirloin filet is the way they have these set up. I think they're very good. Definitely a economical ways. It's a lot cheaper than a filet mignon. This is their choice. It was tender. It was moist. 4-6s did a great job on that. Let's get another taste for the camera. And then my camera crew, they want to be in here. So I'm recording this up at school. Got some of the boys in my barbecue club here. So they're going to step up and get a little bite of this steak also. So let me try this and then we'll let them come in and try some. Oh yeah, great steak, good and tender. Nothing wrong with this at all. Very good. So here's the guys that's been working hard with me all day. They're gonna get in here. They're gonna try some of this sirloin filet and see what they think. Give it a try, guys. What do y'all think? Yes or no? Good or bad?
That's real good, Chef.
Yeah,
that's good.
We got a lot of smiling faces here. Anyways, we're going to get out of here. Thanks for stopping by. Always do appreciate it. Remember to give us that thumbs up. Share us on your social media. Tell your friends and family about us. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.